Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to show you some talk about more about Alpha M5 series. Yes, it's a new model which Alpha has launched, and it was the most awaited model for after a long time for Alpha because it's a stackable one. So in this video I'm going to talk about this M5 Alpha series and let you know about some features and benefit of this brand. So stay tuned with me. Hello guys, welcome back again in another exciting video which I'm making on Alpha M5 series, or yes, correct, it's a new model which Alpha has introduced. So I'm going to talk about some pre-launch things, like because it's not been approved yet, but it's already, the people are quoting it because this is the new model Alpha has launched. So I'm going to talk about this battery today. And again, a small disclaimer, I'm not making this video to promote any brand or to sell like Alpha. Obviously this is just for the information purpose. So let's begin. So operating in Australia for more than 10 years, they have a 13-year plus experience in Australia, established in 2015, trusted by 50,000 Australian households already as per the website. This battery manufactured in China as well. I have made already 2 videos on G3 series and SMILE-M5 series of Alpha, which I have covered detailed about the Alpha brand as well. I will give the link in the description so you can check those videos. This video is only about Alpha new M5 series. Yeah, so let's begin and talk about more features of this new battery. Obviously Alpha got 2 Australian offices as well, one in New South Wales and one in SA. As per the website, address was Lonsdale before, but now they have changed the address from St. Mary. They might have a new office now. Their major distributors are One Stop Warehouse as well as the Energy Sprott. So I'm at the moment in One Stop Warehouse and shooting this video for the first Alpha. It's a stackable modular, 100% DOD, depth of discharge. It got an all-in-one unit, inverter and batteries, built-in aerosol, fire suppression for extra safety, PV oversizing capacities up to 240%. That's a lot. Let's see after the approval how much is going to come. Usually it's 200%, but this one's showing 240. IP65 rated, suitable for indoor as well as outdoor installation. Charging and discharging current is 100 amp. Charging discharging power is 5,000 watt. Now it got a scalable system, so you can put 5 batteries up to 30 kilowatt. Can also connect 1 to 4 modules in the parallel. Mounting option wise, you can do wall mounted and a base mounted both. The 6 module it's like 300 kilo because inverter is 19 kilo and one unit is around 49 kilo. Dimension wise is 620, 240 and 415 mm. It got design a new app also for installers for the quick setup and self-check and debugging support as well. Same as like a Synergy, but not sure about how this is gonna work because it's not been installed yet. So this is just a pre-launch video, and once we will install, I will make another video and give you a proper review on this brand as well. So thank you so much. Hopefully you know about M5 now, how it's going to look like. I'm going to shoot few more shot as well, how does this battery look like. And thanks for watching the video, and please do subscribe the channel and share and like the video. And if you want to know more about this technologies and everything, you can always check my other videos as well. Thank you so much.